Hello friends, hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today's again a fresh video with a fresh content. This is very valuable for students as well as the working employees, as a married couples also. Very important content. Everyone has to listen this concept. Very important, trending in India as well as worldwide is going on. Okay, many people are doing these mistakes. Okay, let me start from the beginning. Okay, it is all about IT jobs and non-IT jobs also, backdoor jobs also. Okay, whatever it is, IT or non-IT. Okay, especially in this video I will talk about the IT jobs. Backdoor, we can call it as backdoor jobs or front door jobs. Okay, front door jobs means like when you go to a company, you submit your resume and they will call you for final round, and you will get a offer letter, and after that, after a few days, you will join in the company. That is called front door job. Okay, no investment, zero money, everything is free. Okay, when it comes to the back door means we are paying money. Okay, we are paying money for the consultant or a freelancer or a engineer who is working in the company. Okay, that is called backdoor job. Suppose I'm a DevOps. Okay, I'm in a DevOps domain. Okay, I have experience of 10 years of experience. What I will tell you to student, that you pay me 3 lakhs rupees. Okay, you pay me 3 lakhs rupees, and okay, after first you have to pay the 20,000 rupees for the training, and I will train you like an expert, and I will manage all the documents, everything. Okay, I will manage in the office also. You will get the job. Okay, that is good. Okay, this is fine. This is good and accurate also. But you don't have guarantee. But you don't have any guarantee. This is okay. If you go for law and order also, that is not applicable. No one will care about you. Everyone will scold to you only. Okay, remember this thing. Okay, backdoor jobs are just luck. If you have a good luck, you will get a job within 1 month or 1 week. Okay, that is also one type of. But the people who are financially poor. Okay, I am from Hyderabad. I have seen number of neighbors and friends. Okay, many people they have saved money for the marriages. They have they bought money from the finance, or rate of interest will be 7 rupees, 8 rupees. They bought the money for the backdoor jobs. Okay, after getting the backdoor job, after 3 to 4 months in background verification only, they will automatically terminated. Okay, this is also one type of this is also big fact in the backdoor job. The main thing is the backdoor verification. Okay, you have to remember carefully. Okay, and nowadays many people in Hyderabad also, there are a lot of people in Hyderabad, Chennai, many Tier 1 cities. People have lost their job due to the backdoor jobs only. Okay, they are doing Rapido, Swiggy, okay, and urban clubs, like these jobs. Okay, and an important point is that why, and what is the main reason is that why people are we have two chances here. Okay, he will, suppose I am an expert, I will give you two chances. Okay, you pay me 3 lakhs rupees, I will give you small package like 3 to 5 lakhs per annum. Okay, any domain. Okay, it may be Java, it may be Python, it may be whatever it may be, testing or DevOps, whatever it may be, AWS, whatever domain it may be. Okay, but people, what they are doing means they are expecting more. They are paying 3 lakhs means if I pay 3 lakhs rupees, I will get 10 lakhs package. If I pay 4 lakhs rupees consultancy fees, I get a 15 lakhs package. Like this, they are expecting more. Due to that over expecting only, they are losing their job. Their total career will be spoiled. Okay, be careful. First thing, be careful about that. Don't over expect. Start from beginning only. If you are going from the back door also, no issue. But don't expect more. Start from the 4 lakhs package only. If your age is 29 or 30, 31, 32, whatever, 35 also, you start from the beginning only. Why you are going for the 15 lakhs, 20 lakhs? Okay, one of my neighbor is there. He went directly from 25 lakhs package. He paid only 4 lakhs rupees. Within 2 months in background verification, his job has lost due to this layoff and background verification. So this is what happening in the market. So many people don't know about the dark side of the IT industry. So this is what happened, and many people coming to the main point, This is very, 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 very important point. When people fended or whatever it may be, when people joined in the MNC, especially MNC, I'm saying you, Cognizant or whatever it may be, JP Morgan and Microsoft, whatever it may be, when person enters into the MNC company, what the web developer or whatever it may be, okay, designation, leave about the designation, when enter into the MNC, after completing the 6 months, he will get the pay slips first thing, okay, he will get the CTC, whatever it may be, 6 lakhs, 5 lakhs or 4 lakhs. Okay, what he is doing means, and he will get automatically calls from the banks, HDFC and all the IDFC, HDFC, SBI. Sir, you are selected for the credit card. Sir, you are selected for the personal loan. So they will influence you. They will hypnotize you. Okay, what will you do? Okay, I am getting loan of 2 lakhs rupees. So what he will do? He will take immediately loan from the what we call from the bank, whatever the bank, HDFC or whatever it may be. The rate of interest will be same for all the banks in India, 10.5. It is so he will take the loan and he will purchase the bike. Actually, he don't have a purpose of a bike because he is having already a cab facility from the office also. Okay, due to the manipulating and due to the influence of the customer care only, they are buying the bikes and all the whatever next gadgets, whatever it may be. He will buy. He take the personal loan and he will continue. He will pay. What example will take a FZ. Okay, including EMI, everything. The cost will be 1.4. Okay, down payment he paid cash 30,000. Remaining he converted into EMI. After 4 months, 4 months he paid good. Okay, suddenly something has happened in the out of the India, like recently happened in the UK war, Ukraine war. Okay, so many employees got jobs are laid off and terminated, and background verification also. In that cases, what many people are suffered because from here side credit card people are calling them continuously. From here side personal loan people are calling continuously. From hometown, from village, Andhra Pradesh or Telangana, they are calling what you are doing presently. Is your job is running or not? And this is what happening in the IT markets. The important tip in this video is that don't fall in the trap. Don't take EMIs. Don't fall in the credit card trap, personal loan trap. Okay, no need of purchasing 2 lakhs, 3 lakhs. If you have cash, you can buy. Okay, if you have cash, you can buy gold. If you have money, you can buy iPhone or any phone, any YouTube setup, anything. Okay, any website also. If you have money, but don't depend on the EMI. You can see recently one of my sir, he is my motivator also. He, while driving only on the way to Siddipet, he suddenly got the heart attack. His age is 40 years only. He is having EMI around 1,20,000. Now who will pay? You only tell me. Who will pay? He is having only flat. His salary is good, but 1,20,000 EMI. Who will pay? You only just think that. Okay, so don't fall in the trap in the EMI. Okay, EMI is also one type of good strategy to go to job. It will push to go to job. It will stick to one job. That is also good. But limit. There is a limit. Okay, not for bike. Okay, if you are purchasing a house, okay, that is well and good. Wife and husband will discuss, and that is different. Okay, after completing 3 to 4 years. Okay, but the person is not at completed even 1 year also. Now he is taking the credit cards of 3 credit cards, 2 personal loans, and in other names also. Friend, he is using other third party apps also. He is investing money in betting also to clear that. Okay, so many people are there in the Hyderabad and Bangalore also. They are hiding from their parents. They are hiding from the police. Okay, the number of people is. So I have seen this. Don't do these mistakes. Okay, backdoor jobs are not what you are hearing is not correct. Okay, if you have having lots of money, suppose if you are having 5 to 10 lakhs money in bank account, okay, you can try. Okay, but don't depend on betting. Don't depend on marriage money. Don't depend on bike and car money. Okay, don't do these mistakes. Okay, backdoor jobs are not for all people. Okay, the persons who are having lump sum, like saved money, like middle class, higher middle class, not middle class also, higher middle class family only. Okay, now there is very high demand but low supply, so that's why. So don't fall in the number of scams are going on, so don't get fooled and don't get scammed. Okay, I hope this video will help you to everyone. Kindly share to everyone, share to your persons, especially who completed the bachelor's or degree, who are now fresh to the job field. Share this video to them. Okay, thank you so much.